In this video we are going to see how the rebellion it is spreading. After the British were routed from Delhi, there was no uprising for almost a week. When the Shipais they tried to uproot the British people from Delhi, then afterwards they taken a little bit time, or they lagged for 1 week, and it took that much time for news to travel. Then a spurt of mutinies began. Means they want to travel from one place to another place. At the same time, they want to give the information to that area. It taken 1 week time to make a next mutiny or the rebellion. Regiments after regiments mutinied, and after and took off a joint another troops at a nodal point like Delhi, Kanpur and Lucknow. Then one by one the regiment they are getting the information, they are also becoming ready and working together, and like that it is reach the places Delhi, Kanpur and Lucknow. After them the people of the towns and villages also rose up in rebellion and rallied around the local leaders. Then because of the this Shipais mutiny, the common people they are getting inspired, they are also starting rebellion, and for that they are going to leaders and making the rallies. And Zamindars chiefs who were prepared to establish their authority and fight the British, and the people, the chiefs of the olden days and Zamindars, they was waiting to get authority in their hands, so they also joined with the common people to work against the British people and to get authority in their hand. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of the late Peshwa Baji Rao, who lived near Kanpur, gathered armed force and expelled British garrison from the city. Then we know the different policies, subsidiary alliance policy, like that. Like that, one place it was that is the Kanpur area, and that is taken by British people. Because of that one, the king when he died, he don't have his own son; it was adopted son. So they are under the leadership of this adopted son. They are gathering together. Peshwa Bajirao under him, they are gathering together, and they are started to work against the British rule, and they proclaimed that Peshwa is their king. He declared that he was governor under Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar in Lucknow. Birjish Khadr, and the son of the deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, was proclaimed a new Nawab. And because after the Kanpur, again next place that is in Lucknow, there also the old Nawab's son, he is taking the charge, or he is becoming the authority. He too acknowledged the suzerainty of the Bahadur Shah Zafar. His mother Begum Hazrat Mahal took an active part in organizing the uprising against the British rule, and the Lucknow and his mother only taking the initiative to organize the work against British rule or fight against the British rule. And next one, Jhansi, in Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai joined the rebellion Shipais and fought the British along with Tandya Tope and the general of Nana Sahib. And she also Jhansi Rani also Lakshmi Bai also faced the problem, because she also don't have son, so she also she lost her power because of that one, and she is joining with Tandya Tope and work against the British rule. Then Mandala region of the Madhya Pradesh and Rani and Avanti by Lodi of the Ramgarh raised and led an army for thousands against the British, who had taken over the administration of her state. Another one person from Madhya Pradesh, she also lost Lodi family. She also lost her administration because of there was no boy child in the family. So those who lost like that their rule, they are coming with the Shipais, and they are working with them to fight against the British rule. Then next one, the British were greatly outnumbered by the rebel force because they are becoming the like that panic because the force, the Sipahis and the local people, they are coming together and working against the British. So the British people, they are becoming panic, and they were defeated a number of battles, and this convinced the people that the rule of British had collapsed for a good, and gave them confidence to take plung and join in the rebellion. And many wars, the common people's war or Sipahis movement, it getting the great influence among people because they become successful in many fight, and that's why the people got the confidence like that we can work against the British rule, and if we are standing together we can win, like that they are thinking, and they are coming and joining the rebellion. A situation of widespread popular rebellion developed in the region of Awadh in particular on 6th August 1857, and first things started in month of March, then it is coming in month of May, then it is in July 3rd, now it is coming August 6th. Where it is in Awadh, where it is present Awadh, that is in UP. We find a telegram sent by the Lieutenant Colonel Titler to his commander-in-chief, expressing the fear felt by the British. And in the telegram he is saying like that the fear of the British people, what they felt: our men are cowed by the numbers opposed to them, and the endless fighting. Every village is held against us. Semindars had risen to oppose us. Like that, from these words we can understand that British people, they become panic, or they become fearful or afraid of Indian work, like that. Many new leaders came up. For example, Ahmadullah Shah, Maulavi from Faizabad, and prophesied that the rule of the British could come to an end soon. And one of the spiritual person from Muslim community, he is professing or giving the insight like that the British rule going to be end soon. And he caught the imagination of the people and raised a huge force of support, and he came to Lucknow to fight the British. And he is giving the because of his imagination, he is trying to get the support of the people, and he becomes successful to from in that same part getting support of the people, and they are coming to Lucknow to fight against British rule. In Delhi, to wipe out white people, in Delhi, a large number of Khasis or religious warriors came together to wipe out white people. White people means here it means British people. In Delhi also they are coming together, and who was the Khasis or the religious warriors, they are coming together. And Bakht Khan, a soldier from Bareilly, took courage to charge of large force of fighters who came to Delhi. Who is taking the first leadership like that? Bakht Khan. And why he is what charge he is taking? He is taking the charge of a large force, those who came to Delhi to fight against the British people. He became a key military leader of the rebellion. And in Bihar, the old Semindar and Kanwar Singh joined in the rebel Sipahis and battled with the British for many months. And one of the person who was against that, instead of that, he old Semindar, and he joined joined the rebel Sipahi. He was against the Sipahis rebel, and he's joining with the Sipahis movement, and he's fighting against the British for months. Leaders and the fighters from across the land joined fight. Means we can see now it started in UP, and slowly it is reaching to other part of the country. We can see it is reaching to Awadh, that is the entire last part of UP. Then it is reaching to Bihar also. Even it is reaching to Madhya Pradesh. It is went to Rajasthan. Like that it is spreading in the North India fully, and the Sipahis movement it is spreading, and people is coming together and fighting against the British rule. Okay, we'll continue in next video next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.